It's great to have you here. I trust that you are well. I am so proud of your progress, and I am hopeful that you are making great use of these magic AI tools. Let's add more to that. This session is on Magic Media. This category has two tools. The Magic Media tool is designed to create captivating images and videos based on simple text prompts, with the added flexibility of transforming the generated images into videos if desired. First up in this category is Text-to-Image. Introduction to Text-to-Image. Text-to-Image is a fantastic tool that allows you to generate unique images based on your text prompts. Accessing Magic Media. To access the Magic Media feature, start by clicking on the app search bar. You can type Magic Media to find it. Alternatively, you can use the Canva Assistant button and search for image to text. If it's not at the top of the list, scroll to the bottom of the list, and you should find it there. Click on it. Image or Video Generation. Within the Magic Media tool, you'll notice two tabs, one for image generation and another for video generation. Creating your image. In the Image tab, you'll find a prompt input box. Here, you can enter your own prompt or try one of the provided examples. You can also choose a style from the various options provided or decide not to use any of them. Additionally, you can select your preferred aspect ratio for the image from three options: square, landscape, or portrait. Once you've made these selections, click the Create Your Image button. The AI will produce 4 different designs for you to consider. If they align with your vision, that's great. If not, you can regenerate, adjust the prompt, change the style, and try again. Let's slide across to the text-to-video option. This looks less busy than the text-to-image. This is also easy. You only have one task to do: enter a prompt. Once your prompt is nice and secure, click Generate. An hour later, I must say the AI took its sweet time, but we got there eventually. Ha 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 ha. And that's how a cup climbs a tree. That's it for the Magic Media. Go play. These tools are meant to awaken your creativity. Thank you once again, and see you on the next session. Hint hint. Too bad it won't be as fun as the Magic Media. But do come along, there will be value. Also, please share your creation. I would love to see them.